Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've all been there. That moment of panic when you realize your ring is stuck. Whether it's due to swelling, humidity, or maybe just a bit too much fun, a stuck ring can be uncomfortable and even a little scary if it's cutting off circulation. But before you grab the cutters or start pulling aggressively, wait. I'm going to show you a simple, household method that can safely remove that ring in seconds, without any harm to your finger or the ring. Now, take a generous amount of your shampoo or liquid soap. You want to apply it liberally all around the ring, making sure it gets under and above the band. Work it in gently. The key is to coat the entire area that the ring has to pass over. You can use a little water to make it even slipperier, creating a lather. Now for the removal attempt. Twist the ring slightly, and as you do, apply gentle, steady pressure toward your fingertip. Okay, as you can see, sometimes the simple method doesn't quite cut it, especially when the finger is significantly swollen. Don't force it. If it doesn't budge easily, stop immediately. So stay tuned, because this simple trick could save you from a real panic moment. The safety of your finger is the most important thing. First, make sure your hand is clean and relaxed. Try to keep your hand elevated for a minute or two. Sometimes that alone can reduce a little swelling. This brings us to our next technique, which is incredibly effective for stubborn rings. This one is a real lifesaver. This is the famous thread or floss method. It works by physically compressing the soft tissue of your finger, allowing the ring to slip right over the knuckle. You'll need a piece of dental floss, a thin ribbon, or in this case, a sturdy piece of thread. Take one end of your thread and carefully thread it under the ring. If it's too tight, you can use a small needle or a toothpick to help guide the thread underneath. Next, wrap the long end of the thread tightly around your finger, starting just below the ring and moving downward toward the fingertip. Make sure each turn overlaps slightly. This helps compress the swelling and make your finger a bit slimmer. Keep wrapping until you've covered about 1 inch below the ring. Now, hold your finger steady. Take the original short end of the thread, the one that's still underneath the ring, and start to slowly unwrap it. As you unwrap the thread, the ring will be carried right along with it, up and over the compressed knuckle. See that? It's literally rolling the ring off your finger. And there it is. Ring removed safely and securely. No damage, no aggressive pulling, and my finger is already feeling much better. After the ring is off, Let your finger rest and the swelling subside before putting the ring back on. I hope this video helps you. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.